Hey, this will be a video chart on GOIG, GOIP, Global Incorporated. I've been following this one a long time, and unfortunately today just wasn't a good day. Yesterday was kind of the leading indicator on what today was more than likely going to be like. So I had quite a few requests pour in. So I want to get the chart updated and kind of go over where it now currently stands. These lines up here are just from previous times I did it. Right now they don't really mean too much. So let's just dig in. If you've watched my videos in the past, you know that I've talked about this 50-day simple moving average here quite a bit, this purple line. And I believe the last video I did was on this day here, where I basically said, now's the time to move. The bulls have had enough time to rest, and we needed to see a move off of this bounce from the 50-day here. And unfortunately, that never came. And then, as suspected, the bulls didn't make their move here, and now the bears have taken advantage. The 50-day has fallen. And now you can see that separation away from it has been the trend the past 2 days. So the question really becomes, where are the new support levels, and what sorts of levels do we want to see hold when it comes to the bulls trying to show some sort of strength now? Right now, the easiest way to look at this is this orange line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average. Right now it's valued at 0.008. This is the key area of support. The 50-day was, and you can see what's happened when the 50-day fell. Essentially, we had the next support, which was down here at the 200-day, and it's been not a complete free fall, but in the past 2 days it's headed down pretty quickly, and I'm expecting it to hopefully level off around here for at least a couple of days. I don't know if this will be the for sure bottom. But being that there's the self-fulfilling prophecy with the 250-day simple moving averages, I would expect that the price would hopefully at least go sideways a few times around this area. And yes, I do expect it to hit 0.008 just because this is the next area of support. We do have 0.01, 1 penny, acting as a psychological support right now. But if that one doesn't hold, then 0.008, I think it would just be a matter of time. Now, a lot of people saw the 200-day and figured, okay, that's the support. But the next question was, well, let's say that one doesn't hold. Then where are we looking for support? And the next key support after that is going to be this line here. Where am I getting this from? Well, if we look back here through the history of the chart, you can see that at one point here, it was a previous high. When we broke above, made this nice move, came back down, pulled back, bounced right off there. So right here was an example of it being resistance, and then right here it was a great example of resistance turning into support, and that's where we still stand now. So if the 200-day cannot hold, then the next key area of support is going to be at 0.005, and after that, we'll cross that bridge if we need to when we get there. But for the time being, I don't really want to sugarcoat things and mislead people. Chart's looking pretty rough. But the true test now is going to be, can the bull sustain right here at the 200-day simple moving average, or is this free fall move going to continue? What will happen, I don't know. All the chart's telling me is, we're coming up on a very important time here, because if the bulls can't hold this, that's going to scare even more people and unfortunately make the chart look, less and less, attractive. So hopefully the 200-day can hold here at 0.008, but only time will tell. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get trade setups, chart education, trade alerts, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It's all free, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and check it all out. One more time, this was GOIG. Thanks for listening.